That's when it grabs. Oh, that's nicely played. There he goes, Watson. That's brute force. He was feeling maybe a little bit of pressure, but he gets that away. Where can he put it? Oh, it's a good ball, but it goes to the boundary. He's whacked it through the offside. Got the low full toss. And another no ball. Bowl another one. Another free hit. Don't think I've seen that before.
So far, this delivery's cost him 6. It's 2 no balls and the 4, and he still hasn't bowled it yet. Oh, that's even worse than the first one.
Yeah, the umpire's on it. There's no doubt about it. Now you want a bat? This one goes as well. This one goes as well. And it's a legal delivery.
Yeah, it just cost him 10 in the end, that ball. 2 no balls and 2.
Mira continues. There goes the journey. It's a foolish ball, but it had the width, and with the offside field up inside the circle, that's where it had to go. In the mid-part. Nicely played. She, with the third man up, really good batting from Shane Watson. A shot played towards him. They need to hair in and prevent 2. He's gone straight enough down the ground though and finds 4 that way. He's new to the superhero world. Shot to finish the 7th. Sean Marsh, short boundary left of screen. Can't get at it, but he can go the long one for 4.
Beautiful placement, beautiful timing from Sean Marsh. I was thinking to myself...
And even better, because Marsh is going to go.
He was aiming for the short boundary, Sean Marsh, against the spin. Might have been just too full for him to play the slog sweep.
Just given that little bit of air, wasn't it? It was just a tease. And it sure drew in the opponent. Brilliant cricket from Ashwin. A little bit of drift and loop, and it wins the day. Great to see spin bowling having such an effect in these short form matches. It's very important that spin bowling lives on. Sean Marsh makes 9. It's 2 for 69.
Yuvraj into the attack. He too's been hard to get up and under. Maxwell hasn't been able to get it high enough. First ball, Yuvraj, the golden touch.
Unbelievable. Yuvraj has got the golden touch. Maxwell looking to go over cover. Hit it pretty well, but couldn't get enough elevation on it. Yuvraj didn't really look like he tried to turn the ball too much. Suresh Rainer's got very safe hands.
Yuvi has always taken wickets. All forms of the game. When he bowls, he's got a very happy net. Suresh Rainer delighted to hold on to this man. He's such a dangerous player. He wasn't able to quite give himself the time he needed. 3 for 75.
Well, that's a really good shot. Not a lot of room, and 50 comes up for Shane Watson. Terrific innings. Well played.
Got himself going with those bonus Bumrah no balls, didn't he? 2 falls in a row, and then it was an onslaught. Really impressive. And this is the spot for me. I know they've got quality openers, but I reckon Watson has to bat pretty high in this order.
Yeah, I think Watto's enjoying being captain.
Series. Only 2.5 innings in.
Well, it's just been these regular wickets for Australia, and the run chasers have fallen flat because of it. And it's going to be tight, is it? I think it might be just home. Was it a direct hit? They're always tight if it's a direct hit. Saying just home.
Yeah, I'm saying just home. Looking at that live, who was it? Shane Watson running that. He's not the quickest anymore, but that's no direct hit could have had him struggling, but right next to the stumps, and Watto's easily home there.
It's tight. Yeah, I was saying these wickets that fall too regularly, too quickly for Australia is.
But they seem to struggle.
Travis Head targets that short boundary, and that's good.
Yeah, Brilliant hitting. Brilliant hitting. We've got a catch as well. We saw one of the Indians.
Goes again. That's flat and hard and 4 more.
This is what he can do. All of a sudden he's in full flight. 16 from 8 deliveries. Different get up.
Beautifully struck, but I reckon he's picked the fieldsman out and he's dropped it. It's Virat Kohli too. Question as to whether it carried. Yeah, I reckon it does. Look at the body language it has.
Well, it was funny. He charged in and then he sort of slowed at it and then leapt towards the ball. I don't think he ever thought he was going to drop it, mind you. He had it covered all the way, but it just seemed that he sprinted and then could have kept going a little quicker. There he just stops there and then gets himself into a lower position. I suppose he's just trying to get those eyes from bouncing, try and just slow everything down.
Well, he might get another look at it. Oh, this is it better. And wide of him. So this innings is starting to roll.
That's the second full toss in a row there from Pena, so that catch.
Square, short boundary out here, and that's going to find it.
Yeah, charging. And this is a great spurt. They're all close.
High, full toss. Has he got enough on it? Yes, he has. It's into the people.
And there's a lot of people up there too. Yeah.
Lots of time left to bring up that 102. Head comes down. Look at this. Look at this. That's all the way. Oh no. It may have been brilliantly brought to ground. That is superb.
Bundy the man. He was reeling back. He sized it up. He kept going back. Would have known the rope was getting close, but he was in an awkward position. So he needs to be airborne over the rope and hook it back from there. Here he goes. I reckon he's done it brilliantly. He has.
That is sensational work.
Boundaries now. There is one of them. Look out, Spider Cam. Oh, that's a big hit. That's up over the side screen.
Another beautiful swing in the bat from Watson.
That's what he'd be hoping for too. Where's this going? Oh, there's 6. That's a massive one. We'll catch that.
It's the shorter side here at the SCG tonight. Jadeja going for the Yorker, trying to hit him on.
Full toss in the gap. Will it be it? It will be. 100 for Watson. Back up the order. Given the captaincy. And now a T20 100.
Outstanding inning, Shane Watson. 102 off just 60 balls, showing his value at the top of the order. He's timed the ball beautifully. I think what got his innings really going was the 2 free hit. One off about 7 balls, I think.
Now over long off. Has he got enough? Yes, he has. This is superb hitting from Watson.
Wow, he hit this type of delivery.
He was doing quite well in his first 3.
Oh, that was through him. Yorked him in the end, yorked himself. Travis Head, good innings that though. They added 93. He and Shane Watson.
Big part. Good contribution to the total. Again, it's a rolling arm ball. It's not really going to spin a whole lot. It's a little quicker. Perfectly pitched as a Yorker. Travis Head made it even better. 26 from 19. They're 168, 4 down, 3 overs to go.
Oh, that'll do. Little deflection. I think it might be off the bat, though it might be some pad there as well. No, runs. That'll do.
It's a handy start. It was a poor ball from Boomerang.
Oh, Watson. Get up, it does. It's into the crowd. Second highest score's not far away.
Nera just missing his length.
No, doesn't it? Lynn has got that into the gap as well. That's what we've come to like from Chris Lynn. Hard hitting into the gaps. Watson chips in the gap. Oh, well taken. It's Lynn again, sorry. That's really well taken from Jadeja. That was well timed. I don't think he was going to get there when he hit it.
The ball before, where Lynn really got it into the gap, the fielders didn't pick it up. It got there so quickly. And this one went just as quick, but Jadeja showed great anticipation, great concentration, and then skill to follow it up. He's had to dig it from out of his feet, and he's got it all that way. Jadeja done well. He's had such a good series without having to bat. Field and ball good. 5 for 193. 2 balls to go.
122. Last ball. Hold again. They'll probably get 2 more though. That one's in the gap. And that will be the highest, or second highest, international T20 score for Shane Watson. He'll finish on 124, what an innings. What a night it's been for Shane Watson. Captaining the T20 side, wins the toss, bats, and now makes 124 not out of 71.
Brilliant stuff. He got enough support tonight too to get the total to 197. Aaron Finch played a lone hand the other night. They got support from Travis Head for a vital partnership. Kawaja out of the blocks really quick. That's another one. And of course Chris Lynn towards the end. But Shane Watson going on to a big 100.